Hello friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. Today is hashtag Temu Tuesday Collab, an open collaboration hosted by Melissa Sue and by me, Regina. And the prompt for this week is tab journaling cards. The prompt for next week is DIY card, make your own card, whatever card you want to, like a greeting card style, birthday card, Christmas, holiday card, or just a postcard, a journaling card, anything. Think outside the box and use whatever kind of materials you want to, and it doesn't have to be all Temu products. Just use whatever's in your stash, join in with the fun. And okay, so this week, and you can do like another project or show a haul or whatever you want, we're really flexible, and you can hop in as you get a chance, with the collaboration. You can hop in as you have time. Okay, so let's see. The participants so far this week we have Isabel at her channel is Crafting with Isabel, and Dahlia, her channel is at Mandalay Cards and More. And then next week we'll do the shout outs for the participants. Everybody that participate for this week. And in the past we've had a lot of participation. People, as they have time, have hopped in on the collab, including, let's see, Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl, Brittany at Brittany Blinger Creations, Michelle at The Hobby Hobbit, Rhonda at J Journal Diva, Melinda at Melinda Davis, and Misty at Misty Dawn Smith Crafty Mouse channel. Okay, so, and if we miss anybody, please let us know, and we'll be sure and and include you in the shout outs, because sometimes it's kind of hard to see who all, because when you do the hashtag, be sure and list hashtag Temu Tuesday collab, and then tag Melissa and I, our channel, so that we can hopefully get the notification to go to your channel and watch your video. And okay, so let's see. So the prompt for this week, this suggested prompt, if you want to do this, is which I've got like a small haul, Temu haul, and I was brainstorming to see what I wanted to do on my tab journaling card. So I came up with it, and I'm putting the card in. I got a mini journaling books that I'm kind of starting, but the little Ardell Rose Manor, cute rose rabbit. So I made this to go in this book. It is, I pulled it out from this set here that I'm going to show y'all on my haul, on the Ready to Fold paper set. I pulled this one out and scored it. And see, it's got the front and the back. And I'll show y'all where I got the little tab from. So it's got the inside would be the journaling space. So tabbed journaling card. Okay, so, and it came from this set. And then I got the, which I'll show you, I'll give y'all the information on this in case y'all want to look this up. It's beautiful, some romantic, beautiful stuff in there. Beautiful papers. So the packaging that this set of papers came in, Melissa and I call them the Ready to Fold papers, because of the way that they made them. This the More Manners Garden series, and there's different options. I have all the options. So this was in the packaging, and I cut this out from the packaging because I wanted to, because you can use these individually for your little tabs. Okay, so I cut out this one out of it. And okay, so as I put it in my little pocket here, and I'm not really for sure about this pocket. I also got the pocket from this front and back of that, which I need more decoration on it if I leave this, especially if I glue it down. I got the packet, it came from the packaging also, the little cardstock with a pocket. Okay, so I put this in to where you can do the pull tab here, or I may trim this down. One reason why I've not totally glued it down yet, is I may want to trim it down a little more for a corner pocket to where, you know, you can see the tab and you can just pull it out there, or have it out further like that to where you can see the tab when the book's closed. And then this was another option in this set. The cute little rabbit, I put that in there. This was the Allison Garden option that's in this same. I'm going to give you all the item ID information. So it's also got journaling space in here. See, ready to fold. It was like this. You just fold for a card or a journaling card, or, you know, other kind of card, or make a journal out of it. And which the I haven't glued it down yet, so for right now I've just got the paper clip. This was gifted to me by Melissa Sue. How beautiful. We did we had a collaboration with the Altered Paper Clips, and when she gifted me the beautiful red journal, she included this in it. So I put it in there for now to hold this in place until I decide about gluing it. Because if I use this for a like a little corner pocket, I can either cut it down a little more, or and if I do that to where, you know, you can pull it out like that, I would leave that open, but I would glue this right here down. Let me pull these out. I will glue this right here down, and then on the other side, because I folded it, it's all one piece. Folded it, scored it, and then I will glue this down right there, and then I'll have an open pocket. You know, we could glue both sides down, this side, and that side, and leave this open. Of course, this wouldn't fit in there though. It's according to what you want to put in there. So anyway, either option. So if I do it like using this to pull up from the side, I'm just going to glue only that down. But I started to glue it down and I didn't, because see, I've got to choose carefully as to what the paper clip makes it a little more bulky. It won't be quite so bulky. See, without the paper, if it's glued down, you wouldn't have the paper clip. It's like, that's why I'm seeing why people like the real skinny, thin papers, because, you know, it adds less bulk. So that's one thing. And if I do leave this in there, I'll probably want to put a little more decoration, make it prettier if I'm going to glue it down. Oh, and the other side, the other pocket this created, we did last week's collaboration. We did the journaling cards. So that was what I did last week to go in this book. And then which it says important things. You can do some journaling there. And so that's an important thing. I tucked that in there, the little birthday gift from my grandson. Okay. Alrighty. So yeah, let me show you all that set of papers in case y'all are interested. It's so pretty. And talking about shopping on Temu, this video is not sponsored by Temu. I pay with my own money. I'm not an affiliate. I know, you know, a lot of us are affiliates. I'm not an affiliate for Temu, but so it's not sponsored. Okay, so let's put that in there. And if you like this side better, you can kind of make it, you know, like a left-handed journal or card or whatever. If you like that side better, it would be like a right-handed, whichever we want to do. Which I think I'm going to put a little bit of maybe pinkish shading there possibly. So whatever we want to do. So I've got both those little journaling cards in there. Cute little rabbit. I'm all into rabbits. Okay. I'm going to take this down for now. Yes, I want to decide what I want to do about this pocket. What I want to do about that. Okay. And then I've got the pocket in the back. I showed that it was a week or two ago on the my video. I think it was a Temu Tuesday video where I showed how I did that. Okay, so let me show y'all the where I got my little journaling card. It's from this set of papers here, and they're not cardstock, which, like, you know, I just talked about the thickness in the journal. Sometimes you don't want things to be real thick because you can't put as much stuff in there. It'll be so thick. So Melissa and I call these the ready to fold papers, because this was a set of 30, and all of these, this kind that they make a lot of different options of this. They're all the way that they did it. They did a pattern on both sides to where every one of them, if you fold them, score them and fold them, they will have a separate pattern. So that makes, you know, you can just do all kind of things with them because of that. So just like that one. You know, make a card, make a journal out of it. Just love them. They're so pretty. Okay, let me show y'all these real quick. Oh, let me first, before I forget, let me give y'all, in case if y'all want to search for it, the item ID number. A lot of times you can put that in the search bar and it'll bring up the item. Item ID number for these papers, 30 sheets, is, just type in NBO 4817. I think that O is a 0. I think that's always going to be a number, the third one, NBO 4817. And the description for this particular seller, you know, there's different sellers, this particular seller, and each seller has a different price, so it pays to search around. This one, this seller titled it 30 sheets / set manner more paper, and there's different options. I got all the options. That rabbit I showed y'all, that was the Alice Garden. It's like Alice in Wonderland, but it reminds me of that. But yeah, that was one of the options in that same item ID number. It's this one. You know, this was the Alice in Garden option, and they had 30 of these different. They were all different. See, the flowers matches. It just kind of coordinates. Okay. Okay, let me get back. Okay, so that's if you want to search for that. And like I said, I got all the options. There's a rose garden option, this one, Allison Garden, several different ones. I got one with some blue colors. Just go to that. If you're interested, go in there and look and see what else offered. I love them. And they were $2.69 for all of these. I think today it's showing $2.98. You know, the prices fluctuate. Sometimes they run a sale. When they ran a sale, I got me a second set because I've used them in several different projects. Okay, so anyway, so here they go. They all, you can all score and fold them if you want to. Show y'all real quick because a lot of times you don't really get a lot of detail. So I'm going to show y'all up close and personal the details. Pretty Victorian, kind of vintage style. Kind of faded vintage, but really pretty. This is kind of like romantic. Yeah, I'm going to use some of these in like my Valentine projects and Valentine's journals and all. I've been using them in several different projects. If you want to make a planner, they got the blank for the months, the year. You want to do like a planner type little thing with it. There's another planner. I like it that they left it blank. There's like some journaling. You know, in every one of them, they've made them to where you can fold. And this can go inside some of your other papers. You know, you can use a couple of them to make your journals, and then put some blank sheets in there, and then there's your writing spots, write or decorate, whatever. Be My Valentine, sweet, sweet love. That would be good for romantic journal or like Valentine's project. Sweet, sweet love. But you can have, you know, that kind of stuff, love, romantic stuff any time of the year. The roses. Love where they're getting married, signing their marriage certificate. A romantic little poem for the Victorian era. They're going out on an outing. Another romantic poem, My Valentine. See how cool these would be for Valentine's project. I love this kind of stuff. Once I loved a maiden fair. So fun. Another romantic little poem. Can make all kind of little projects with these journals. It's fun. This is really fun. So this is a fun hobby. Okay. This love is true and constant. Forsake it not, my Valentine. So, I don't know what happened with that. The flowers on the ground, and he's walking away, she's looking away. Is she playing the game where they would, like, turn the suitor down, I think at least 3 times before they accepted the proposal or whatever? They had, you know, all the social rules. Now I think the women chases the men a lot of times. Okay. We're about to the end of this. Yeah, so I want to thank you, Melissa, for co-hosting this collaboration with me, and thanks to all the participants and to everyone who's watching. We so appreciate all of y'all. And so hope y'all have an awesome rest of your week. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see, I think we went over everything. So next week would be the prompt, if you want to do that. So I'll do another project. If you want to follow the suggested prompt for next week, will be the DIY cards, and however you want to do it. Okay, thank y'all so much, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye, friends.